Hi, hello, welcome to MS Academy. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Yes, so in the previous video we have learnt about uniform and non-uniform motion. Yes, in today's video let us observing the motion of an object on an inclined plane. First of all, what do you mean by an inclined plane? Which is in slant position. Yes, this slant position is called as an inclined plane, which makes some angle with the floor. Yes, so here I have taken this, let us assume this is a floor. Yes, I have thrown the object which makes some angle. Yes, so you take one marble or you take a ball. You keep the ball on the top of the inclined plane. You can observe the ball will comes down. Yes, so when the ball is coming down, what will be our observation? Now the ball, yes, imagine I have kept a ball over here and I have left my hand. So you can observe the ball will comes in this direction. Yes, the ball is following the same direction or not? Yes, the ball is coming down with the same direction. Now what happens to the speed in the ball when any object coming down? Here you can see a slant. Even you can observe when you are riding a bicycle. Yes, when you are riding a bicycle, if there is a slant position, yes, without pedaling also, the speed of your cycle get increases. Even after not applying a force, the speed in your cycle get increases. Yes, so here also the same happens. Yes, the speed of the ball increases. Yes, the speed is getting changed, but the direction of the ball is remaining same. Yes, now here I am throwing the ball in upward direction. Yes, when I throw a ball in upward direction, so in this situation also, when I am throwing the ball in upward direction, the ball goes in straight line. Yes, the ball follows the same path, but what happens? Gradually the speed of the ball decreases. Later the speed becomes 0 and it falls down. Yes, so here what will be our observation? What we have observed in this activity, we have observed that the direction is constant but the speed is getting changed. Yes, so we have observed in this activity speed changes, direction remains constant. Next, observing the uniform circular motion. Yes, uniform means already we know equal distance in equal intervals of time. Circular motion means which going in circle path. Just you tie a stone to a thread and you make rotate. Yes, now the stone is following a circular path or not? Yes, the stone is following a circular path. Here the speed. In this situation what happens? The speed remains the same. But now imagine that I have tied a stone to a thread and I am rotating, I am circling, I am making the stone to move in a circular path. Now immediately if I release, what happens? The stone, it comes perpendicular, tangential to the circle and it falls down. Means here what is happening there? The speed is remaining constant but the direction of velocity is getting changed. So from these two situations we have observed on an inclined plane, speed is changing, direction is constant. In a circular motion, speed is constant, direction is getting changed. Yes, next observing the motion of an object throwing in an air. Leo, I have taken a stone, I have thrown the stone in an air. Yes, now here when I throw a stone in air, now as I am throwing stone in like this direction. Yes, in a curved shape. Now what is happening? The stone is following a curved shape. Here direction is getting changed. With the direction, what is happening again? Direction changing, speed is also changing. Yes, direction is changing, speed is also changing. So from these three activities, what we can draw? Speed changes, direction remains constant. Direction changes, speed remains constant. In some situation, both speed and direction gets changes. Yes, so from these three activities, it is very clear that in some situation, speed remains constant, direction gets changed. In some situation, direction changes, speed remains constant. In some situation, speed changes, direction constant. And in the third activity, both speed changes as well as direction is also getting changed. Yes, and the next topic is acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? Rate of change of velocity. So, physics lo rate of ani ochindante kachithanga you should write in the denominator time. When we compare any term with the time, we call in physics as rate of. Yes, we call it as a rate of. So acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity. What are the units of acceleration? Meter per second square. Yes, uniform acceleration is nothing but if there is a change is uniform, so equal speed, if it maintains an equal speed, then we call it as a uniform acceleration. So acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. Yes, I hope you all have understood this video. If you have any doubts, please put in the comments. I'll solve the doubts. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.